guys ever back to Okay, this next section will be the Grand Cross. You'll have 5 minutes for this section. Your time starts now. Matthew.
Do you think embryonic stem cells are more effective than iPS when it comes to humans?
Trigger.
Yes.
Matthew.
Why so?
We have evidence.
Christian.
We have evidence stating that stem cells are more efficient, and also they result in less cell death. So,
Trigger.
You state that IPS has no negative effects. Is that correct?
Arden.
Well, as it goes with every single research project, it has some effects, but in comparison to embryonic stem cells, it has far less effects than that particular group.
Christian.
you stated in your rebuttal that using stem cells, mice were killed and 4 kids died of cancer, and you presented that evidence as like in 2004. But we have evidence from 2016, which is more recent, saying that stem cells actually improve cancer treatments. The evidence for the children was from BBC in 2014, and the evidence from the mice was from 2016, actually.
So you mentioned that that embryos are considered human beings because they exhibit the seven characteristics of life. Yes.
Yes, because in every stage we have infant, fetus, adult, adolescent. These are all different stages. Embryo is just the first stage to get to the fetus.
Do you realize that bacteria and archaea, basically prokaryotes and plant cells, they all exhibit all 7 of those characteristics of life? Yes.
First of all, how is this related? How is this related to the debate? Right now we're talking about should embryonic stem cells be researched or not.
Cindy.
What are the side effects of using human embryonic stem cells?
Go ahead.
First, I'd like to address the fact that when we've asked a question, the response was a question, so we did not answer the question.
Do you have a question you'd like to ask? Okay. Reva?
It is relevant because you said that there are some moral concerns because an embryo is to be considered a human being. However, what are our concerns when we're eating a plant, like a vegetable? Do we have concerns then?
Cindy.
Why are you
Okay, others know. Leah.
To further what Reva said, eating a human is considered cannibalism while eating a plant is not. And eating a human is unethical in our minds.
Jim.
Well, do you know that the legal definition of subject with human resting is having the ability to act and the right to enjoy the right and obligations that the content of this behavior can recognize and be defined by law and give possible next evaluations, which create the money to feed us.
Leah.
Could you please repeat the question?
Do you know that the legal definition of subject, which includes human, is having the ability to act and the right to enjoy the rights and obligations as the content of its behavior can be recognized and defined by the law and give possible negative evaluations, which clearly do not include a fetus? Yes or no?
Where did you get that evidence?
Well, www.core.gov.cn.essay.definition.com.
Are you aware that according to the Oxford Dictionary, a very reliable and world-renowned dictionary, the definition of abortion is the expulsion of a fetus from the uterus by natural causes before it is able to survive independently?
Tree.
Wouldn't the government be biased to stem cell research?
Lynette.
You didn't answer my question.
Because
Trigger.
Do you have a card that proves that government would be biased to stem cell research?
Arden.
So there's a government foundation called the ACLU. They're funded by the government, and if the government opposes stem cell research, why are they being funded? So that obviously means they're biased.
Christian.
since your standard is ethics, are you aware that about 1.7 million embryos that are taken out by IVF are discarded? So instead of discarding those lives, you can use it to save other people, which is better.
Okay, time is up. All right, this next section you have 1 minute to prep. Your time starts now.